Cargo operation requires a lot of man-hours while containers are loaded and unloaded off the ship. These man-hours are used for counting containers manually. We resolved this issue by installing sensors on each cargo hold, which will detect the presence of the container. The presence of the container will then be indicated on the indicator panel by the indicator lights. This will help to minimize the man-hours used to count the containers manually.
So we created a prototype that is a scaled-down replica of an actual cargo hold. It's a cargo hold with a 3x3 shipping containers, and at one end of the cargo hold there is sensors attached to show if there's containers in place. For example, if there is a container in place, it will show a red light, and if there is a free space, it will be a green light. We came up with the design for the prototype by drawing it out, and we used AutoCAD 3D to give it a more realistic view. And afterwards, we gathered all the materials we needed, such as the sensors, the lights, and the acrylic boards we used in the prototype, as well as the containers. Our prototype is connected to a software which allows us to troubleshoot it in case of any difficulties. When we first got the prototype, we didn't manage to put the sensors in place correctly, and hence one of the lights were not working. We have to troubleshoot it to fix the lights. Other than troubleshooting, the software also allows us to keep track of the containers that go into the cargo hold, as well as see the positions of the containers from a remote location.
In the future, we hope to install a monitor that shows the diagram that mimics the actual storage plan. This will help to minimize the man-hour use on site. The diagram on the monitor will help the operator to view the loading from a central location.
We are really happy with the end results of this project, and we hope to see that our prototypes will be used in actual ports in the future.